Here we're asked to write an equation of a graph in standard form, and we're given a graph of a parabola, so we know it's a quadratic equation. So to do this, what we're going to have to do is first write it in vertex form, and then convert that by simplifying into standard form. So vertex form, the most easy numbers to substitute into vertex form is the vertex, which is h, k. So h is the x-coordinate of the vertex, k is the y-coordinate. So let's substitute that into this format. A we're going to get to in a minute, but we do know that h is 2 and k is 1. So what A represents is what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at the parent function of a quadratic equation, which is the most basic parent function, and we're going to sketch a graph of that by kind of coming up with some coordinates. And we're going to see whether when we look at that parent function and compare it to this graph that they're giving us, if it either got wider or thinner. So let's come up with some x and y coordinates. So let's do -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So we're going to substitute these x coordinates into this parent function and see what y is. So for example, y is -2 squared. Well, -2 squared is 4. So that would be our first point. So I'm going to pause and plot the other points here. And then when you look at this parabola, now in blue, the parent function, and compare it to the one in black, we see that they look like they are the same shape. So it didn't get wider or thinner when we're comparing it to the parent function. So that means that A equals 1. So now what we're going to do is we're going to simplify the this equation now that it's in vertex form so that it is in standard form. So first off, that 1, anything multiplied by 1 is just that same number. So we don't really need that 1 there. What we're going to do is multiply, but we don't need the 1 there anymore. X minus 2 squared is just x minus 2 times x minus 2. Then we still have our plus 1. So now we need to use the FOIL method to distribute this. And we still have our plus 1. And now we're just going to combine our like terms. And then this is what we have. This is the equation of this parabola written in standard form, where it's some number multiplied by x squared plus some number multiplied by x plus a constant at the end.